Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Nepali Status. Every day, a new video is uploaded with healthy fruit tips. Let's get started with my video.
If you're a health enthusiast, then you need to add these heart-healthy drinks to your morning routine. Let's dive into 7 morning drinks that'll have your heart singing with joy. First up, we've got warm lemon water. Simple, right? But it's packed with vitamin C and antioxidants to keep those arteries happy. Next, green tea. It's not just for the Zen vibes. Green tea is loaded with catechins that help reduce cholesterol and improve blood flow. Sip, relax, repeat. Third on our list is beetroot juice. It's a powerhouse. Rich in nitrates, it helps lower blood pressure. Plus, that vibrant color is a mood booster. Now let's talk about oats. Wait, what? Yep, oat milk. High in beta-glucan, it helps reduce cholesterol. Blend it with your morning smoothie and your heart will thank you. And then we have pomegranate juice, a tangy delight that's full of antioxidants. Studies show it can reduce arterial plaque. Fancy that. Sixth, we've got hibiscus tea. Not only is it pretty and pink, but it's also known to lower blood pressure. Sip on this floral brew and give your heart some love. Finally, let's not forget good old water. Hydration is key, folks. Keeping your body well hydrated helps maintain a healthy heart. So there you have it. 7 heart-healthy drinks to start your morning right. Give them a try and let your heart feel the love. Cheers to a healthier you.